As more and more companies work to reduce their environmental impact, garment manufacturers are looking for ways to reduce their carbon emissions. One way to achieve this is by choosing the right industrial boiler for your production process. Boilers play an important role in various stages of the garment manufacturing process, including pre-processing, dyeing, and finishing. How to select the right boiler. Garment manufacturers need to evaluate boiler capacity, heating parameters, and thermal efficiency before making a selection. In addition, the boiler design must comply with industry and government safety standards. There are different types of boilers in use today, each with their own advantages and disadvantages. Different types of boilers are electric steam, gas, biomass, and coal boilers. Electric steam boilers use electricity to heat water and produce pressurized steam. They are ideal for companies looking to reduce their carbon footprint and are easy to install. Gas boilers emit less gas than traditional boilers, which makes them more environmentally friendly. They are also more efficient and cost-effective than electric or diesel boilers. Biomass boilers burn with pellets instead of traditional fuels, making them carbon neutral. Although they have high initial costs, they can save manufacturers a lot of time in fuel costs. Coal boilers burn coal to produce electricity that is used to heat water. They are the most cost-effective means of providing steam and hot water for industrial garment production, making them suitable for newer or smaller manufacturers. However, they produce more emissions than other boilers. In conclusion, garment manufacturers can reduce their carbon footprint by choosing the right industrial boiler for their production process. By opting for low-carbon boilers, companies can reduce their environmental impact and contribute to a more sustainable future.